This is Code.org. I'm currently working on their CS Fundamentals Express course. I'm on Lesson 5, Collecting Treasure with Laurel, Puzzle 7. Help me collect all of the treasure, okay? These blocks are in the wrong order. Reorder them to collect all of the treasure right. So order matters in code. It executes, it runs exactly as you tell it to. So right now I'm going to move forwards, turn, and I'm going to hit a wall. You can always test code with this step key. So that's my first line of code. Here's the second, and this is where the problem is, obviously. All right, so let's stop it there. You can also get hints here. So we're supposed to use 11 blocks, or that's the most we can use. How many? They start us with 11. All right. Right. I don't think we want to go right. What if we go left? So if I flip this to left... Oh. What if I flip this to right? Let's try that. There's nothing to collect here. Oh, yep. What if you go forward? Oh, wait a minute. Ooh, this one's tricky. Maybe if we turn left first. Nope, we want to go forward one, turn left, pick up that brick. Turn left, move forward. Because then we can pick it up, then we can go forward again. Let me test this out, what I got so far. I'm going to step once, that's my move forward. Hopefully I turn, move forward. Now I'm going to use collect. Now I'm going to step again forward, awesome. Then I want to turn right, forward, collect, forward, collect. Let's try this. And remember, it's always going to run in order. Oh, that one's annoying. So, and again, step is super helpful to kind of watch the code work for you. But it's always going to be in order. So you just kind of have to watch line by line how the code makes the character work. Go, Laurel, go! Woohoo! Let's keep going.